The other day, I asked you, PC versus console. Which one do you prefer for gaming and why? And here are your answers. PC. That's one for PC. Doesn't even need any justification. If you insist for one, then ask me again. But I'm planning on getting a Switch as well, since that thing can go mobile too, pretty amazing. So, you want PC or you want console? PC FPS is uncapped, so I'm assuming this is another one for PC? Both! Both is good. Okay, so that's PC and console, that's one each. Only mobile games suck. Only mobile games sucks. For PC for first and third person shooter, mouse keyboard combo, gameplay position. Console, PS4 for exclusive titles. Okay, yeah, he has a fair enough point. Nintendo Switch for portability. Why only own a PC when you can afford both platforms? Unfortunately, not everyone is as privileged as you.
Check your privilege!
Incoming butt hurts. Well, actually, that's kind of what we want right now. We want the comment section to be a little bit more chaotic, so... PC to consoles to now mobile only. Yep, while my age advanced forward, my gaming enjoyment goes backwards. Actually, why? Is it because of time? Is it because of money? Or... I mean, mobile games aren't really that fun. Esports game, I choose PC. Casual game, I choose console. So I'm assuming you're picking both. But, I mean, like, what's wrong with play esports game on PS4 or Xbox, I guess? I mean, you can play competitively on that, it's fine. Console. Okay, so now we have another one for console. So, console. Pay for cheaper price with good quality. PC, pay more expensive hardware to get same quality with console, and pay to get Microsoft Windows to run the PC. Pay for antivirus to protect the PC. Pros and cons for both. It based on games factor, console all the way. You may have world best PC, but you still can't play console exclusive games. Most of the exclusives are on consoles. I believe in future consoles will do upgradable hardware, and that is where PC crumbles. Boy. This sentence, pay for antivirus to protect the PC, lol, is the definition you're literally not fit and capable of using a PC. I respect your choice of staying on the console, at least you're aware of your lower capabilities. Oh! Okay, no, that's actually pretty brutal. Both, because sim racing. Okay, so you have like, you know, one for each, but sim racing is a racing simulator. So are we talking about the Sims here? Because I am not aware if there's any, like, you know, sim racing game, unless you're saying, like, you know, racing simulators. Oh no, fanboys incoming. That's what we want. All the fanboys to come here and give their thoughts as to why they're on, you know, a particular camp. Would like to know actually. Console only. Upgrade 5 tahun sekali dengan new next generation model. Close architecture unlike modular built PC. Can upgrade hardware and software whenever you want. Well, okay lah, software can, but I guess if it's the hardware, only if you can afford it, you know. Mobile phone considered as console? No! No! No one considers mobile as console. What's wrong with you? Console for me, my man. PC, cause console connects to TV, which my kids and the wife occupies most of the time. I mean, you can always get a Nintendo Switch, but then again, if your kids steal your Nintendo Switch, then you won't have anything to play. Both! Okay, so we have a vote like for each. That's actually pretty interesting. PC, because why would I want to game anything worse? Oh boy. All the console gamers are just going to get angry after this. Oh, there you go. Getting angry, this and that become expensive, but still show off PC. I mean, if you can afford it, why not? But then again, even if they show off their PC, it's not necessarily good looking either, so you might not have anything much to show. PC. PC. Okay, so we have two comments there. Very simple, straightforward. It's just PC. Console is about poor ooh. Actually, no, realistically speaking, like, sure, the initial investment when you're getting the hardware, the console would be cheaper than the PC, but when you look at the games on consoles are relatively more expensive. But yeah, I guess I could see what you mean. I wouldn't exactly call console people, like, you know, poor though. Now that's all for today's episode, and I hope you guys actually had fun with the comments, reading the comments, actually putting in the comments, and we do like to see all this like feedback from you guys. So we still have more similar stuff, so don't worry. So for our next episode, we're gonna have another question, in which case this time is gonna be Android versus iOS. Which one do you prefer and why? So I'll see you guys again next time. My name's Aiman from PokdeDOtNet, signing out. Bye!